Forget boring salads. Beetroot is here to add a burst of color, flavor, and amazing health benefits to your plate. It's nature's powerhouse, packed with nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But wait, there's more. Beetroot might even help boost your heart health, immunity, and athletic performance. Ready to unlock the incredible potential of beetroot? Subscribe to Herbs and Harmony and join our herb exploration journey. We'll delve into the science behind these benefits, share delicious beetroot recipes, and show you how to incorporate it into your daily routine. With Herbs and Harmony, healthy eating gets exciting. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Beetroot, also known simply as beets, is a root vegetable known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor. It is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Beetroot can be eaten raw, cooked, pickled, or juiced, and it is a versatile ingredient in various cuisines worldwide. Beetroot offers numerous health benefits. It is rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like betalains. These nutrients support heart health, improve digestion, boost immunity, and may even help lower blood pressure and improve athletic performance. Benefits: heart health. The nitrates in beetroot are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. This can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Improved digestion. Beetroot is high in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to stool, preventing constipation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Boosted immunity. Beetroot is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells and antibodies, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Nutrient-dense. Beetroot contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, manganese, and folate. These nutrients play important roles in various bodily functions, such as nerve function, bone health, and cell metabolism. Antioxidant properties. Betalains, the pigments responsible for beetroot's vibrant color, act as antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and slow down the aging process. Blood pressure regulation. Studies suggest that drinking beetroot juice may help lower blood pressure, particularly in individuals with hypertension. This is attributed to the high nitrate content of beetroot, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Athletic performance. Some research indicates that beetroot juice supplementation may enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen delivery to muscles, increasing stamina, and reducing fatigue during exercise. Anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds found in beetroot, such as betalains and betaine, have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties which may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis and promote overall health. Ways of use. There are numerous ways to incorporate beetroot into your diet. Raw beetroot. Grate raw beetroot and add it to salads or slaws for a crunchy and colorful addition. Cooked beetroot. Roast or boil beetroot until tender, then slice or dice it to add to soups, stews, or grain bowls. Pickled beetroot. Make homemade pickled beetroot by slicing cooked beetroot and marinating it in a mixture of vinegar, sugar, and spices. Enjoy it as a tangy side dish or condiment. Beetroot juice. Blend raw beetroot with other fruits and vegetables to make a nutrient-packed juice or smoothie. Roasted beetroot. Toss beetroot wedges with olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast them in the oven until caramelized and tender. Grilled beetroot. Slice beetroot thinly, brush with olive oil, and grill until charred and tender. Serve as a side dish or layer onto sandwiches or burgers. Beetroot puree. Steam or boil beetroot until soft, then puree it with garlic, yogurt, and herbs to make a creamy beetroot dip or spread. Baked goods. Use grated beetroot in baking recipes like cakes, muffins, and brownies to add natural sweetness, moisture, and a vibrant color. Soup. Blend cooked beetroot with broth, herbs, and spices to make a velvety beetroot soup, perfect for warming up on chilly days. Salads. Combine roasted or boiled beetroot with leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and cheese for a nutrient-rich salad packed with flavor and color. Beetroot, delicious, nutritious, and a vibrant addition to your meals. Want more veggie hacks and healthy recipes? Subscribe for herbal adventures. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.